Hello everyone, this is me ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads and Bing Get certified advertising professional, and I also got SEO certified back in 2006 and working around in this field from around 15 years. And I'm also a Google partner. My company is a Google partner company, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to run Google Ads for a small business. But before I start, I want you to make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any other video whenever I create one. So without wasting any time, let's get started on how you can run Google Ads campaign for a small business. So let me make myself shorter over here and move over here. So the question is how to run Google Ads in a small business. Google Ads tutorial for a small business. Okay, what kind of a small? Okay, what actually is a small business? Okay, small business is probably you have a small pizza shop, a small cafe, you are a plumber and electrician, okay, or a new doctor, or a new doctor, not really famous, but a new doctor. Then or any other small business, even a small, if you have a small physical mobile shop, that also comes in a small business. Or even if you have a startup and let's say you are a ladies garments and or ladies clothing, and you are or ladies accessories, and you are selling bags online, like bags online, or even homemade cakes online. Okay, I have seen the trend like this. Or even uh, pastries online. Okay, so for small business like this is going to be full-fledged video for you. Okay, when you are a small business, I understand that you guys are tight on budget. Okay, but guys here means guys and girls both. So I'm not a gender specific. You guys are tight on budget. Okay, so what could be an ideal budget for a small business? Ideal budget for a small business. Okay, for a small business, ideal budget would be around $500 to $1,000 per month. Okay, okay, that is an ideal budget for a small business to run ads on Google. Okay, now the question is location to target for a small business. Okay, in case if you're a small business, I do not recommend you to target whole country, but rather target a city or a portion of a city or a portion of a city. Let's say you are in a, let's say, in case if you divide New York, what you have to do is you have to open the Wikipedia to understand the areas in New York, and then you are figuring out the idealist location is that you can also have a 10-mile radius location to start on. Okay, I have seen that this, with the majority of the cases, works well while running campaigns on Google Ads. And then which campaign type to be preferred uh, when you are a small business on Google Ads. Okay, so I do recommend few campaigns to start on. Number one is I recommend to start on a local search campaign. Okay, these are ads you can see above on the Google Map results. uh, these are for instance, if I'm going to search for me pizza near me, and let me show you something like that. Okay, this is a normal search ad. I'm not recommending this one, but ads over here, and that is ideally being shown on mobile devices. I'm just opening on my laptop. So local search ads campaign, or in other words, it's also being called as a Google Map ads. Okay, for the customers who already know about you, and to target them, we can create a retargeting. It will be on display network. Okay, it is for those people who already know about you, and then we can target through images ads, capture them with branding. The third strategy which I recommend is local search campaign. Okay, when you have a tight budget, then you can even opt for any of the two. Okay, any of the two or one. Okay, in case if it's a brand new budget, I do recommend you to go with this one as well and allocate 100% budget over here. Okay, once you are start getting sales and results, then you can divide, or like I'm going to spend 50% over here, 20% on retargeting, 30% on search. So you can strategize later on, but first you have to define, but first you have a start on, so then you probably can have this on 100%, like because it's a new business, you can have put all of your resources on Google Map campaign, because it's a local small business. So once you're running a small business, then strategies are different. But again, it's always not a local business. So when it is, then you can go with a local business. But in case if it's not a local business, or it's not a you are targeting your location, but rather a city or 2 or 3 cities or multiple cities, then you can put your focus on over here and search campaign and put your 100% over here. In case it's not a city bound service, or like for which people do not have to visit your shop, or you don't have to visit their area. So in that scenarios, you can offer, like, let's say, in case if you are selling bags online and you are not city specific, then but again, targeting the whole country, it's a better to target small areas to see, because you are also tight on budget. So then you can target 1 to 2 to 3 cities, where you have an existing customer, or where you think your customers are, or you can work out on your competitors. Look out on your competitor strategies, on what they are doing. That is very important, that look out on your competitor strategies, on what they are doing, what kind of a campaign they are running. You can use SEMrush for that as well, to get sorted. And there are many tools that are available as well to get this out sorted on what your competitors are doing, and then make a strategy on based on them and understand them. I do not think to copy them, but get inspiration and come with a better version. Also focus on your USP. Why that is the criteria. We are not focusing on why you are spending money to land visitor on your website, why you are not optimizing your website experience. Yeah, at least you are why people should leave the other brand, and why come to you. And also the thing is, remember one thing: if you are not online, from where people buying are, that are your potential customers, that from the product or service you're selling right now at the moment, your potential customers from whom they are buying, they are your exact competitor, and you need to figure out what is working well for them. So, these are the few things, you have to work out while creating. I know creating a campaign on Google Ads is not difficult at all. There are multiple things to look on. In case if it's a local, you can offer local stores and promotions, and then, you can create a local search map ads. You can create over here. In case if you want to create a search campaign, you can move over here. In case you can offer a display campaign, in case you want to do a display campaign, you can opt for over here. And I have also created a video regarding retargeting, but for retargeting you have to create your website traffic list, and you can get it through Google Ads and Google Analytics. So I hope you like it, and remember one thing: marketing is all about testing and data. So make sure to have conversion tracking on, and keep on testing different variations, different things, because marketing is about testing. And in case if you are looking for me and my team to help you in setting up your campaign for a small business, I will be gladly able to help you and work out. What you have to do is you have to follow the link in the description to work with us and get your campaign started for small business. Yeah, once again, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. In case if you have any questions, comments, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you, and bye bye.